So if you determine that it is procrastination, and you're honest with yourself, and it is procrastination that's keeping you from moving forward on your project, here's a thought and a couple of tips. The first thought is basic physics, folks. A body at rest tends to stay at rest, and a body in motion tends to stay in motion. So is there anything that you can do, anything at all that you can do that is active, that has you moving in any way associated with this project? I think you'll find frequently that any activity, any action will cause more action. So because a body in motion tends to stay in motion. The one that is easiest for me to do when I am in fact caught in some procrastinating wallow is to call a friend. How easy is that, right? To pick up the phone and call a friend and start to talk to the friend about the project. And by talking to the friend about the project and hearing what the friend has to say about the project, that engages me, that gets me moving, that creates some energy that very frequently would result in me then being able to move into the project and really get it started. Another I sort of suggested in the first video is to wonder while you're wandering. That sounds pretty simple, right? You don't have to frame that, work too hard at that. Just go wonder while you wander. Take some piece of the project, some aspect of it, some question that is most interesting to you, some piece of the challenge that's going to really demand the most from you. And think about that, get it in your head, maybe write down a sentence or two about it, and then leave. Take it with you. Go out in the woods with this sentence that you've written down. Go do an errand. Physical action while you're thinking about it. Wonder about it and wander about while you're thinking about the project, and see if that doesn't begin to create some forward momentum that you can turn into more productive work towards the completion of the project.